It's really about trust, about confidence in the fact that no matter what, you have not just a supplier, but a partner that will stand by you and make sure that your equipment delivers the results you need. One that delivers the right levels of productivity at a correct and reliable level of quality, while meticulously controlling resources. Downtime should be at an absolute minimum and only by choice. After all, your machines are your production, and your production is the backbone of your company. In these times of constant change, it is imperative that your company has the flexibility to adapt to change, easily and almost without limitations. This is one of the reasons why we at Wheelabrator offer the broadest range of shot blast machines in the market, which we can continue to upgrade and develop throughout their lifetime. As part of Noricon Group, we are dedicated to providing outstanding equipment support services, which go far beyond the supply of spare parts. Because we understand your market, your challenges and your needs, we have developed packages to serve you better, to help you improve your efficiency and effectiveness while driving down costs. We stock the largest number of shot blast parts in the world, both for Wheelabrator and non-Wheelabrator equipment. And we can offer you complimentary services that will not only bring down your parts expenditure, but will also greatly reduce your cost per transaction. Our packages cover service, maintenance and technical support, and include Industry 4.0 solutions. As Noricon Group, we are leading the way in digitization. Our equipment modernization programs have been designed to keep your equipment at peak performance, from simple upgrades that replace existing assemblies with the latest technology, to complete machine renovations that give you all the advantages of a new machine, but at a much lower cost. There are almost no limits to what we can achieve with existing machinery. You see, our innovation does not stop at the delivery of your new machine. We offer complete care for the lifetime of your equipment. Operating from strategically located service centers and with a global network of technicians and service engineers, we can keep your machine running at optimum performance and safety levels for decades. Welcoming everybody to take advantage of Wheelabrator's technology and expertise. We support all brands of shot blast machines and foundry machinery. Around the clock and around the globe, we focus on your challenges and processes to deliver the results you need. Empowered in partnership, we can embrace change, use constant development to our common advantage, and face whatever new challenges lie ahead with focus and with strength. We are one strong partner at your side. We are shaping industry.